It's hot one today. I gotta get the swimming pool up. But my pump isn't working. So, best we take a look. If I go in now, here's the pump. My screwdriver, let's move out of the way. You're gonna have to forgive the mess. But it's on, look. Nothing's happening. However, yeah, it's on again. It's intermittent. And the problem with that is, when you take the valve out to pump it up, sometimes it's not going to pump up, and then you've got to take it out, give it a shake. Oh, it's a nightmare. Let's take a look. Just got a clamp here and do the D-cell batteries, which are all very warm. There's not much to these, in all fairness. The motor here, your switch here, and your terminals here. That one looks a bit rusty, but on the battery connection there, it's fine. The problem with these is they are melted tabs, keeping them in place. So you can't really take them apart, just like these by here. See? They've just melted tabs down, hold it in place. So it's one of two things really. It's the motor sticking or it's the switch. So we need to figure that out really. So I'm going to use my screwdriver, but I had to prop this up. There we are. Let's get these monster batteries out of the way in a minute. This should be a fairly quick fix, but this summer people are going to need their pool pumps or their ball pumps or whatever you want to pump up with it. Not my business. What you use it for, totally up to you. Keep it between yourselves. Right, so that's off at the moment, so if we switch it on. It is intermittent, isn't it? I'm going to say it's the switch. Yeah, see? Okie doke. Okie dokie, pig and a pokey. Now, like I said, the problem we got here is these terminals are melted in. Switch is just press fit. So if I desolder there in there, I can take the switch out and have a look. That's the plan. That's how it goes. If I squeeze these now. Should be able to push the switch out. There we are. So that one's out of there now. There we are, it's out. We can give these a clean up as well while we're here. So here's the switch. Oh, it's sealed. See if I can clean it up. But I needed to take it out to see if it was sealed or not. Right, let's see how we go. He's alright now. Maybe that's all I needed was a clean. We'll give the terminals a bit of a clean as well. Right, we've got to try and get this back in now. Whilst getting these in. This one. I push the switch out that side. I push the switch out this side. Should just get enough purchase there. There we are. Lovely. Both in. Let's get some solder back on them. There we are. There we are. Let's look at the old thing clean.
There we go, shake off the excess and just beat the devil out of it.
Right. Let's see if I've solved the intermittent issues. So, let's put that back over there. Oh, that's promising. Yeah. So, no. I'm going to say then it's the motor. It's not the connection, it's the motors getting stuck. I don't know, it's working now, mind. That sounds a bit noisy, I've got to be honest. Again, the problem we got is, as I've said before, for this motor, is the tabs are glued in. This is a sealed unit, isn't it? I don't want to break this. I'd rather have it semi-intermittent than break it, to be honest with you. Oh, of course. Tell you what I'm going to do. Rather than try and force that open, see if I can lube it up a bit. So this is the input. So air comes sucked in here and blown out there. Keep it clean. Sucked in here, blown out there. So if I switch this on now, oh, it's coming on straight away now. Oh, wait there. So it seems to be a connection issue, doesn't it? Put my hand. You give it a spray down here now. Seems to be working every time now. I'm going to say problem is solved. I'm also going to say, I am boiling. It's absolutely boiling in here. But anyway, it was worth a quick look because many of you probably got one of these, and if it starts playing up, you can either do one or two things really. One, you can pay no attention to me, probably a good idea. Or two, you can go and buy a new one. So there you go, I don't buy new if I can fix what's going on. Seems fine now. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Ta-da.
Dashboard glow is the only light I trust right now. Watching the sky